Hi everyone, today in mathematics we are learning to collect different types of data and turn it into a picture graph. Okay? The good mathematicians can collect different types of data and turn them into picture graphs. The picture graphs are a good way to display your data. Okay? So what you need is this sheet, then you need to go and find some fruits that you have at home. Okay? Now I've got my collection of fruit that I'll have in my bowl. Alright? So once you've gathered all your fruit, lay them out like this. Okay? This is an easy way to see how many you have. Okay? Now if you have punnets of strawberries or blueberries, or a collection of strawberries or blueberries or even raspberries, then just grab a handful, okay? Otherwise you'll be counting a lot of blueberries or strawberries or raspberries. Okay, so just grab a handful and then count those. Okay, so let's start off. I've got my collection of fruit. Okay, and I'm going to write in this box down here the names of them. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my apples. Okay, apples. Then I'm going to go my oranges in this one. Oranges. My lemons, and my bananas. Bananas. Okay. Now you might have some other fruits, but I've just got 4 types of fruits here. Okay. Once you've written in your names for your fruits, this is what you're going to do next. Okay, so I'm going to start with the apples. Now I've got 2 apples. Okay, so to make a picture graph, I need to, as it says, kind of make a picture or a drawing. Okay, so I need to draw 2 apples together. Okay, so I'm going to draw my apples like that. Okay, so if you draw a nice and neat drawing, it sort of represents what you have. Okay, so now I'm just going to do like a little green leaf at the top. It doesn't have green leaves for mine, but I'll make it look a little bit better. Okay. And there's my first apple. Then I'm going to do one right next to it. Okay. So I've got my second apple. Alright. Looks like a bunny over that one, doesn't it? Okay, so I've got my 2 apples there. Okay, that's my picture graph so far. 2 apples. Okay, so once you've drawn in all your apples or all your fruit for that one, move on to the next one. I'm going to draw my 3 oranges. Now see how I've laid them out like that? That makes it easier for me to draw. Okay, so all I have to do is put it in there. Like that. Okay, so I'm going to draw my oranges. Okay. Like so. Alright. Making sure that it's nice and neat so people can see that they're oranges. Okay. So I need to draw 3 because I have 3 oranges. Okay. Alright, colouring nice and neatly, and there's my 3 oranges. Okay, so a bit water. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Once you've counted all the ones, all the oranges, all the fruit that you put in there, then you move on to the next one. So I've got lemons. I'm going to use this yellow because these lemons are a little bit brighter than those ones, so I'm going to do my little lemons. Oh, this one's a highlighter one. Okay. These are my lemons. Okay, they got like a little tip on the edge. And do like that, I reckon. And my second one. Alright. Okay, so that's my 2 lemons. Okay. Now again, see how I've laid them out? it's easy to see. I can just pop them straight in there. Now my bananas, they're a little bit harder to see, but I've got a bunch of bananas. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? And I'm going to use this yellow here, which is a little different. And I'm going to draw my bananas, okay? So I'm going to draw my bananas like that. 1. Oh, that one's a bit funny. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you can probably draw better than me. Drawing bananas. 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can probably do a bit better than me at drawing those bananas. And I'm going to colour that in nice and neatly. Okay. Alright. And once I've coloured in nice and neatly, okay, I might just add a little bit of a touch at the end because bananas have their little black bit at the top. Oh, I might do that one upside down. In there. And one in there on the other side. Like that, okay? So I've got my 5 bananas in there, okay? Now, you don't have to do all of them, but if you have more fruit, then you can put more fruit in there, okay? It's only because I had these types of fruits and didn't have any other fruits, okay? So that's how a pictograph looks like, okay? So when we turn it like this, we can see, we can see that I have a lot more bananas than lemons, okay? And I've got a little bit more, or one more orange than lemon, okay? Alright, so it's a good way to display your data. People can see how many there are and what they look like, okay? And the name of what they are, okay? So that is your activity today for maths. Let's see what type of fruits that you find in your house.